The upcoming holidays can be an exhausting ordeal. There's prepping and cooking for the family, then there's the cleanup. Only to do it all over again the next day. Except this time, you and the family are tackling each store for their Black Friday deals on LG home appliances. Luckily, there'll be plenty of leftovers to tie you over from all the endless shopping. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Turkey Tomatillo Chili. It's a simple, quick recipe to warm you up this winter season and comfort you from all the stress that comes during this time of year. First thing we need to do is prep the vegetables for the broiler. You're going to take the tomatillos and peel the husk off 6 tomatillos. Next, run the tomatillos under cold running water. Make sure to rinse the 2 serrano chilies under cold water as well. After rinsing the tomatillos, cut each one into 4 pieces. Take the cut tomatillos and place them into a seasoned cast iron skillet. Take the stems off the serranos and then cut them in half lengthwise and add them to the tomatillos. Press down on a head of garlic with your hands to break it apart. Use the side of the knife to easily break open and peel the garlic cloves' outer paper skin. Then throw 2 cloves into the skillet. Turn the broiler on for 5 minutes to preheat the oven. Place the skillet into the oven. This will roast the vegetables and become the base for the chili's flavor. After broiling the tomatillos, chilies, and garlic, add them to a blender. Next, take a bunch of cilantro and also add that to the blender. This chili is different than your common chilies because it uses a salsa verde in place of tomatoes. And the reason we puree these roasted vegetables and cilantro is to create the foundation of flavor for our chili. Set aside the puree, and next you need to prep your vegetables for the chili. What I like to do is take the potatoes and cover them with cold water until I'm ready to use them so they don't turn brown. Take your leftover turkey and chop it up for the chili. I'm going to heat 2 tablespoons of canola oil over medium heat. I'm going to add the onions and start to cook them. And then add the garlic. Next, you can add the tomatoes, the diced green chilies, the potatoes, the vegetable broth, and the salsa verde we made earlier. Stir everything to combine it. When this chili starts to simmer, it's going to first smell like onions, and that's going to really be the predominant smell. But after a little while, that onion smell is going to mellow, and then you're going to get a hint of the cilantro with the chilies as a little kick. Now I want to check the potatoes to see if they're soft and tender. I think we're ready. You want to remove your chili from the stove, and then you're going to smash the potatoes to help thicken the chili. After mashing the potatoes, add your chopped turkey. The last thing you need to do to finish this chili is to season it with a little salt. This will help bring out all the great flavor. Place some chili in a bowl, add some cheese, chopped cilantro, and maybe some tortilla chips. To learn more about the LG home appliance used in this video, visit us at lg.com. And we'll see you next time in the LG kitchen.